इसके बाद ही मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि हमारे बीच दिल्ली से सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता मिस्टर अभिषेक रंजन जी उपस्थित हैं, जिन्होंने अल्प समय में ही शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में महत्वपूर्ण कार्य किए हैं। मैं उनका स्वागत करना चाहूंगी। और इसके उपरांत मैं बीएड विभाग से मिस नेहा उपाध्याय को बुलाना चाहूंगी कि वे आएं और अपने विचार रखें। मिस नेहा उपाध्याय।
Ma'am, I'm audible.
हाँ हाँ बेटा।
Honorable scholars, respected teachers, and my dear friends, I'm here to talk about Swami Vivekanand ji and his view on education. Swami Vivekanand ji's original name was Narendranath. He was born on 12th January 1863 at Kolkata. His birth anniversary is celebrated as an International Youth Day. Right from the childhood, two aspects of his behavior could clearly be noticed. One was his devoted and compassionate nature, and the other was his readiness to perform any act of courage. Since his whole family was spiritually inclined, he received an appropriate religious upbringing. Swami Vivekanand was admitted to the school founded by Mr. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar in 1870. While in a school, he focused both on studies as well as bodybuilding. He had a great respect for his mother tongue. Swami Vivekananda stood first in his matriculate examination and added to the glory for his family and the school. And then he joined the Presidency College in Kolkata and completed his MA in philosophy. Study of philosophy of education of Swami Vivekanand ji. Swami Vivekanand ji viewed that education is not information of knowledge which will insert into the mind of child by the force. In his own word, education is the manifestation of perfection already reached in men. His view on education. His view on education deal with the physical education, moral and religious education, medium of education, women education, and education of weaker society of section. Physical education. Without the knowledge of physical education, the self-realization or character building is not possible. One must know how to make our body strong through physical education for to attain the complete education. It is not necessary to develop both mind and the body. Medium of education. Like Gandhi ji and Rabindranath Tagore, he is also emphasized education through the mother tongue. Besides mother tongue, there should be a common language which is necessary to keep the country united. Moral and religious education. According to him, moral and religious education will develop self-confidence in men and women. Education of masses. The individual education is not a full development of our nation, so he needs to give education to the society or a common people. He takes this mass education as an instrument to improve the individual as well as society. Man-making education. The education philosophy of Swami Vivekanand ji is a harmonious synthesis between the ancient Indian ideals and modern Western beliefs. He did not only stress on the physical education, mental, spiritual and vocational development of the child, but also he advocates women education as well as education of the masses. Self-education. Self-education is a self-knowledge that is of our own self is the best guide in the struggle of our life. If we take one example, the childhood stage, the child will face lot of problems or commit mistakes in the process of character formation. The child will learn much by his own mistakes. Women education. Women education is not in the hand of others. The power are in the women. Vivekanand considered that women to be the invocation of power and asked men to respect them in every way. He said about education of women, educate your women first and leave them to themselves. Then they will tell you what reforms are needed for them. Education for weaker section of the society. Vivekananda pleads for a universal education so that backward people may fall within others. To uplift the backward classes, he chose education as a powerful instrument for their life process. From the analysis of Vivekananda's scheme of education, the uplift the masses is possible only through education. His view of education brings a light of his kind, practical and comprehension character. Now I ended my words with his own words about the education. Books are infinite in numbers and time is short. Therefore, the secret of knowledge is to take what is essential. Take that and try it, live up it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, ma'am.